Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of swimwear with what I believe to be the best one-piece cheeky bathing suit for women currently available in the market. Introducing the Yonique Women's Strapless One-Piece Swimsuit. This sleek and stylish swimsuit is designed to make you feel confident and comfortable whether you're lounging by the pool or catching some waves at the beach. Let's talk about what sets this swimsuit apart from the rest. First off, it features a flattering bandeau neckline and a cheeky bottom design, giving you that perfect balance of coverage and allure. But what really makes this swimsuit stand out is its tummy control design. With ruching and side drawstring details, you can customize the fit to your liking while also enjoying a bit of extra support in the midsection. Made from a high-quality blend of 85% nylon and 15% spandex, this swimsuit is not only lightweight and breathable, but also incredibly elastic and durable, ensuring maximum comfort and longevity. And here's the cherry on top. The Yonique swimsuit comes with removable spaghetti straps, giving you the option to switch between a classic bandeau style and a more secure shoulder strap design. Plus, the removable padded bras offer added bust support for those long days in the sun. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a one-piece swimsuit that combines style, comfort, and functionality, look no further than the Yonique Women's Strapless One-Piece Swimsuit. With its flattering silhouette, tummy control features, and versatile design, it's truly a game-changer for women everywhere. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy swimming!